As the political activities for the successor of the Edo Governor Godwin Obaseki of the People's Democratic Party (PDP) don tire well, the All Progressive Congress (APC) don release their timetable and schedule of activities. Now this one come make Honorable Pius Alile, founder and president of Pius Alile Coalition Initiative, hold one ogbonge meeting wey shele for the Pius Alile Coalition Center with some leaders and im followers to yarn dem of who im dey support for the APC Edo governorship primaries wey go shele February 17, 2024. Honorable Pius tok say na right Honorable Dennis Idahosa in the support for the forthcoming APC Edo governorship primary election and say make dem join body with am to support Dennis Idahosa sake of say Dennis Idahosa dey young, vibrant and he get track records to win election. E still tok say make dem all come out in mass on Monday for Elora Hotel for one endorsement ceremony as dem go unveil the man Dennis Idahosa to the people.
And today, we already have a candidate that we are supporting as a coalition. And that candidate is the person we are unveiling on Monday. So I want all of you to be involved, to bring your friends. I am very sure that we are in different groups. We have different groups here. Try and go to numbers we want to bring. We want that hall to be packed full. We want to achieve 1,000 people in that hall. So all of us are going to work together to achieve that number. We already have different groups coming in on Monday. So today is to discuss that particular event. I'm pleased to let you know that we are supporting a young man. The reason why we are supporting this young man, we want to appeal to the youth. We want to appeal to the youth. Because one of the reasons why Labour is full of youth is because we are always nominating and bringing out old men, always recycling the same people. The same people. We don't want to do that anymore. We want to bring out a young man of 43 years old. And that young man, his name is called Honorable Dennis Idahosa. Please, let's clap for him. Honorable Dennis Idahosa alias DENCO. So if you all agree with me, say yeah. Yeah. If you agree with me, say yeah. Yeah. If you disagree, say yeah. The yeah happy. Let's clap. And by the grace of God, come on the 17th of February this month, he is going to become the candidate of All Progressive Congress in Edo State. He's going to be our governorship flag bearer. And by the grace of God, he's going to win. Because all of us, in our various wards, we are going to work hard to make sure we deliver this young man. So I want to appeal to you that in your various wards, all of you should vote for this young man. His name, once again, is Honorable Dennis Idahosa, the House of Rep member, currently representing the Obia Federal Constituency in Abuja. So I want all of you to work and support him. I am supporting him because I believe in the youth, I believe in young men. He is a man that has won 2 consecutive elections in Obia North and Obia Southwest, defeating the neighbors twice. Twice. We want people with track record of winning elections. We will work to make sure we win this election. So we want people that will help us to win the election. And that is why I am supporting him. He's a young man. He's currently in Abuja. And we believe that he will do well for all of us. And I want to assure you, don't be afraid. This is not a message. This is a young man who will remember the goal, and he will remember the elderly. So as a coalition, we are supporting this young man, and I want us to work to make sure we deliver him. On Monday, 10 o'clock, I want all all of you to be at a Laura Hotel in Samuel Road. All of you be here, we convey, we have vehicles that will take you from here to the venue. Is that okay? I also know that there are groups, if you belong to different groups, who want to come on your own, a group you let me know, we will make that arrangement. For you, if you have sister to sister, you want to come with your group and you want to come together, you tell your president to meet with me, we arrange your transport. So also the other group, so also nation group, so any other group. If you don't have a group and you want to come here for transport, we will transport you, arrangement is going to be made, okay? And if you are coming, come with your friends. Come with your friends, don't come alone. Minimum of 3 persons, maximum of 10 persons. Come with your friends so that we can transport all of you down there.
Honorable F.A. Stewart and other leaders wey also tanda for the meeting come talk say politics don't pass as e dey before and say they no want recycled politicians again. Sake of say they need somebody wey dey vibrant, smart and get better record. And say when you look among all the aspirants, na Dennis Idahosa be the man for the job as he get all the qualifications.
I know say this period, this time, I hear so many stories. So many stories what I would hear. From the top blue to white, from black to red, just like that, and so on and so forth. Let him say the ability to take the right train when you enter. You see, people will come to see now. They will come in different patterns. They feel even fit intimidate to them. They want to see fear. They will do this, they will do that, and so on. People are not fear. We take gidigba. I said people are not fear.
Okay.
You have capacity to take protection. Nothing will happen. But I don't say for a very long time. All the people when we say they administer for this state, they are the same set of old folks, the same old people, they recycle themselves. Today they will come, tomorrow their children will come, day after tomorrow their grandchildren will come. And the same people, when they serve them all along. So they will come old, until they serve them. And the company say, government. Now when they hear that the government, we, the masses. ABC, now we be the masses, now we be the government. But if you take statistics of what they happen, or the antecedents, of what don't happen all this while, now see say now, people what they call bourgeois. Big people. Not them. And they take power every time. So which time the common man will take get home, they will become to occupy position. Before now, I don't say they talk say education are for the rich. They want better government, one good government won't get them. Professor Ali of the blessed memory. I don't make at that time say education for everybody must be free. Now some of us get opportunity to go to those days now what? People they go learn. It doesn't not be free education for nothing goes to some of us. But today, the young man, when God just anoint so, when God don't destine so, make one pilot their way of those things. It's coming from a very zero background. When I say zero background, now village for go school. Village, not for go school. The parents said na farmer there. So, now the beginning of the new things when one begin happen in 9 years. He don't contest election twice for House of Rep. He don't get money, he don't get anything. But because of the general acceptance when he gets, he defeats one of the richest persons for this state, he defeat his daughter twice. If to send her money, not go fit. But because people were come from that environment of their southwest and of their northeast, they believe in their own, not the money. As they give them money which they don't accept, but they vote their own in. So the opportunity for us in this, let me still right the wrongs. Let me say money not be everything. Let me say let me take 20 naira today or 10,000 naira. We will suffer for another 8 years or 4 years. God forbid. So the power I won't get, and this is our membership of this party. So come 17th of February, make we chart this new course of voting the right person. I hope the person now, Dennis Idahosa, aka DENCO.
Wetin I wan talk, e don pass to support people dey don first talk. And to let una know say this work wey we wan do, apart from say we wan put the new governor, we wan still promote ourselves. Una know say this coalition na how to take help ourselves, help the society. We wan put governor there so that we go fit dey give empowerment. The moment we get that governor, every member of this coalition automatically, if you dey get work, you wan get promotion, we go fit do am for you.
Make una not forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Benin City, Ekata Ojesele, TMC TV News.